Genuine greetings to everyone. I am Rachit Mittal along with my teammate Darkor are participating in CBSE Skill Expo and representing Sandeep School Bhavan. Following this, to begin, I would like to ask a question. Have you seen elderly people walking with walker? Have you seen what problems they face? Like they are walking outside, they get tired. Where do they sit now? They look for places. And if they are walking outside, suddenly the weather changes and it starts to rain. Where will they run now? Where will they go? Although they are old people and the needy ones. So, and different things are also like to calculate their health. We use different devices like pulse oximeter and to measure sugar, blood, whatever. So many different things. All these have been integrated in this smart walker. So this is an omnipresent guardian-like device. It is not just a device, but a best friend for themselves. It has a detachable seat which can be opened and closed when they need it. If they're walking, they can close it down and sit on it. Also, they have an umbrella system in it. Like if they're walking, it starts to rain, they can put up the umbrella, which will protect themselves and help them to move steadily. Different sensors have been attached to it on the grip. For example, this oximeter, which will keep on sensing its heart rate. And if the heart rate passes a special threshold point, the notification will be sent to an ad. Will instantly get notified and the help will be on time. Also, what if the person walking falls down? How will the guardian know? So, an sensor has been attached to the handle, which will notify the guardian immediately in case of such things. Also, the display has been provided over here. The person using this can see this and get to know what his health is being like. Further add-ons on it. If the person is walking, his oxygen level drops down significantly. So we have attached the oxygen pump on it. He can use it easily, sit on it and use it and get energized again. Our project is also very much sustainable. We have attached piezoelectric plates on its 4 legs. With every step, electricity will be generated and stored in a battery which is inside it. So which will power the technology here itself only. Also, different things are attached, but what if the person is walking, his heart rate, BP, and everything is normal, neither he has fallen down, but he feels uncomfortable, he's having anxiety, panic, what will he do now? So to counter this, we have also attached a panic button, which when pressed, the notification will be sent to the caregiver immediately, so that before anything bad happens, the caregiver and guardian can take immediate actions immediately to the place.